I am so excited to share with you some wonderful, wonderful new products that's coming out over at scrapbook.com. And we're just going to jump right in and get started with them. Sticky squares. Woohoo! Sticky squares. They come in 2 different sizes. They are large and in charge. And then we have some small ones. And these are really thin adhesive sheets. And that's left over from last one. This is what I like about them a lot. Look at that. I can tear it off. They're no more on the roll and they're not on the sheet. And that just drove me nuts. All right. So I'm going to use, this is a piece of vellum so we can see this and it will come off. Look at that. How easy that was. And I'm going to stick it on here. And I didn't do a very good job of where I placed it, but that's okay because this is going to peel off. And ta-da. I'm not saying this I'm just want to show you this because you can see it really well with vellum because adhesive vellum, you know what I mean. But look how thin that is. Doesn't stick up, you can barely feel that it's there. Oh, I really like that. So those are adhesive sticky squares from scrapbook.com. And I'm going to stick this back in here so I don't get them everywhere. And they come in 2 sizes. Like I said, the large and the small. Next up, we have foam sheets. Not just squares, but sheets. Look at this. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and there's 5 in a package. And the backing comes off of this really easy. Take a look at that on both sides. How easy that is. And you can die cut this into whatever shape you need it to be. You could cut it down into strips. You can do whatever you want to with these. I mean, there's no limit on this at all. And it is super flexible. This is 6 by 8 1/2 sheets, and it's the same exact thing. They are, all of the foam tape is about the same thickness, easy to stack. The other new product is the foam adhesive strips. There are 160 strips in a package, so it's 5 sheets in here, and the backing comes off of that very easily. This stuff tears really, oops. I don't want to pull the backing off of all of it. There we go. It tears really easy, so you can use it wherever you need to. Ta-da! And the paper just comes right off. Take a look at that. I mean, come on. Amazing stuff. And like I said, there's 5 sheets of this in the package. And I can't wait for you to see the prices on them because it's amazing. And that's one thing about foam tape and stuff that has always kind of bugged me is the price on it. Not anymore. And take a look at these big Mambo rolls. All right. So here's my hand on this. And sorry, my hands are kind of torn up and so is my arm a little bit. And that's from work. So we have 1/4 of an inch roll of foam adhesive tape. And that's what this is right here. See how it is. You can bend it and do whatever you need to with it. So both of these will be great for doing shaker cards or any of the moving cards, the interactive cards that you need to shape that foam in so that you can have some pieces standing up and go around some different things. Well, now you have 1/4 of an inch option, and you also have this tiny one that's about 1/8 of an inch wide. Then you also have the 1 inch wide roll here. And you have the 2 inch wide roll here. Ta-da! Great big huge piles of foam tape will be, oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy I can't stand it. So there's all that foam tape. That's a great big huge pile of foam tape right there at very, 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 very respectable, reasonable prices that I'm just thrilled about. You can check it out over at scrapbook.com. The links are in the description below, as well as over on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. I will have links to all of these. So head on over there and grab yours today because, I mean, come on. Speechless. Love it. Thank you, scrapbook.com.